Running a trade business can be non-stop. The constant interruptions, last-minute quote changes, as well as a million other things fighting for your attention. Try out Tradify's To-Do List, the fastest way to add, assign, prioritize, and get your admin done. Here are 4 quick ways our to-do list will help you stay on top of your game. Add a to-do in seconds from anywhere by hitting the blue icon at the top of your screen, or using our keyboard shortcuts. Prioritize your list by clicking the due date or color tags. Urgent? Make it red. Can wait till later? Go green. Our list will help keep you organized so you can focus on what matters most. Need someone else to handle it? Assign it with a click, and they'll be notified and good to go. And when it's time to work through, our quick action menu lets you fire off a quote, invoice, or job appointment. Just click the 3 dots to the right and you're good to go. Get it out of your head and off your list with Tradify.